Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select your brands in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu. As you can see, here we have some suggestions, some offers, some deals. From here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner, and then into personalization. Here at the top we find brands, and here if you scroll down we can browse the brands that are presented here, or if we have a brand in mind we can just enter the name here, for example Converse, and then just tap on follow. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.